What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So today, what we got the Nexar dash cam. So I've been meaning to pick up a dash cam for a while now, just to check it out, see what's going on. So this one I picked it up on Amazon. It's $69.99, but they got a $10 coupon, which brings it down to $59.99, and it comes up to like $64 with tax. I'm gonna leave the link for the description in the bottom below for the Amazon. If you like what you see, go pick it up from Amazon. Like I said, they got a $10 coupon right now on Amazon, so you get it for a little under $60, but with tax comes out to $64. Link in the description below. Go check it out if you like what you see. If not, just sit back and be entertained. So right now, I got my phone right now because my tablet is over there charging somewhere. So we're gonna just check out a quick video real quick, and pretty much this is like a little video from Nexar saying pretty much what the dash cam does. So hopefully y'all can see that real quick. Let's check it out. Alright, so that was the video straight from straight from Nexar itself. Let me get this back into focus. Alright, boom. So we back in focus. Let's unbox this. Let's see what's going on. Pretty much from that video, it's good for accidents, nearby delays, for car coming into your immediate area, it picks it up. And first, more importantly, it has an app to it. So it gives you all your downloads on your phone, sends you notifications through the app. We're going to download the app right now, actually, before I open it, so we can check it out and see what's going on. So it's both for Google and Android. As you can see on the box, you can scan that code, get the Android, scan that code, get the iPhone. Obviously, I'm Android all day, so I'm going to just go straight to the Play Store, and I'm going to download it and see what's going on real quick. So this is how it comes up. The Nexar all dash cam for peace of mind on the road. I'm going to install it. See how long it takes to install. Shouldn't take that long to install it. So we're gonna download that. It's almost done, and it should be done any second now. You know what? Let's put that down real quick. Let's unbox it. So by the time that's done, we could just plug and play everything in there. So again, Nexar by Halo Cam. Download the free Nexar app, which we just did. This is what comes in the box. So you get the dash cam, you get the Power by Nexar 1080p full HD video, cloud storage for video clips, and it comes with a 32 gigabyte SD card. The card is included, obviously. Small and discreet, 155-degree wide view angle, GPS, and the sensor, like I was telling you, like if a car is too close to you, it'll tell you through the app. So that's pretty dope. Let's check it out. So you get, first thing, open it. Welcome to Nexar. The complete package for safety, home, and video start here. Read the book. Done. Like I said, it came with a SD card, which is pretty dope, and it comes with the adapter. You can use that other places, but this is a regular SD card, nothing too crazy. The SDHC, you get good video with that. Right now you got the suction mount for the dash. You got some more 3M if you want to put it like right on the leather part of your dashboard. This will probably be also for the leather part of your dashboard. They give you some other different type of little dongles for that thing right there. It comes with a USB two port USB car charger, heavy duty. That's dope that they included that. Comes with an extra long wire, so when you mounting it to your your windshield, you get that extra long cable. This cable is crazy long, so I don't think you're gonna have a problem mounting that. And here's I don't know what that is. It's a little pry tool, but we'll figure that out once I put it in my car. And here's the camera itself. The only thing that I don't see is the dash, the mount. I think they probably just want you to stick this directly on your. There's no suction cup. So this is the camera itself. Full HD. The camera right there. You got a rear. If you want to put an extra camera for the rear, these are your speakers. That's to mount right here like that. And you got a reset button and a power button. And then right back here you got Wi-Fi, and you got the notification for Wi-Fi. You got a notification from the cameras coming on. What else? You got the micro SD card slot, and then the power button. So I'm gonna put the micro SD card in right now, because I'm about to install this in my car. So I'm gonna just put this in because I'm about to install it. So we'll do this all live right now. Right there, you put the card right inside here. Push it down till you hit a click. Boom, it's in there. So that's pretty much how that goes. And full HD. So obviously I'm gonna have to do an update video on this to let y'all know how this worked out. But it's pretty discreet. You can't really see it. It's small. It ain't obtrusive. It ain't gonna obstruct your view or whatever when you driving. You just put it just like that on your windshield. This plugs right into here like this, and then it should have came with a suction cup type thing, but they just want you to tape this directly on your windshield. I guess that's better, but if you ever get rid of the car, if you ever you're gonna have to pull this thing off, and maybe it might leave some sticker residue or whatever. But it is what it is. We'll rock out with it the way it is. It don't matter right now. So, like I said, I'm about to install this in my car right now. Let's go through the app and see what's going on. So you open up the app, and you're gonna get that right there. You're gonna get this screen. Let's save what matters. See something important while recording your drive. Create a clip. And to save video to your Nexar cloud. Well, we can't really, you could, I don't got the camera on, so then it says seamless storage. And let me go back. Evidence off the road. In case of a collision, phone sensors capture it all, save you time and money with your insurance, which is important. If you ever get into an accident, it automatically starts recording at the time of impact, which is dope. So you enable your location. It's going to tell you where you at. You sign up. I'll put all that information in when I go in my car, and then we'll figure it out. Alright, so I'm definitely going to do an update video to let y'all know how this was. But again, this is the Nexar dash cam by Halo. This is the company right here, the Halo cam. If you're interested, I'm leaving a link in the description below. I'm gonna do an update video. You could go online, check out the video I just showed you. They got many other videos by the company, by Nexar. This one is pretty dope, pretty simple. You can't ask for much. Camera, car jack, car charger with the two adapters, and it has the DC 5 volt 1 amp. Both are DC 5 volt 1 amp. So it's gonna charge. It's gonna keep this thing charged, but it might not charge your cell phone and stuff like that pretty quick. But in a clutch, it's gonna work. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to install this in my car right now. If you're interested in the t-shirt campaign, that's still going on. I got another video, some more videos coming up this week. 888-C, 8th Avenue, New York, New York, 10019, Suite 225. Check that out. Send your t-shirts, your apparel, send everything there. We got the SoFocused.biz. Go there for merch. We got a new and updated look coming soon. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. So like I say at the end of every video, 3 things in life you gotta remember. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.